presentation, we will compare two different organizations in the same field, two large technology companies, Microsoft and Samsung. We will analyze some points and initially answer whether the workspace is formal or informal. To answer this question, we analyze some points such as office layout and dress code, where Samsung environment is generally more formal with the dress code and more formal spaces. On the other hand, Microsoft environment is more free and with bright colors. Um, the other point that we will analyze today is the staff organization. To analyze the organization of the team, we used photos of different work environments from both companies. As you can see in the photos, Microsoft use more open model with undetermined spaces for employees, while Samsung is more designed rooms and used by manager or supervisors, while in both companies are there are collaborative environment.
Hi, my name is Vamshi. I'm here to speak about status power differentials. So let's go into the topic. So power differentials in leadership among Samsung and Microsoft leadership structure. I have given a deep distribution about the what are types of powers that both of the companies have. Usually the differentials between the power leadership and the comparison between the Samsung and Microsoft. So in Samsung, there is a family control structure with power constructed in the Lee family, and it is a hierarchical control and centralized decision making. Whereas in the Microsoft, they have leadership qualities and empowering innovation, and upper management comes from a broader and team-driven approach. So comparing the both of them, so Samsung exhibits more traditional and centralized power structure, and Microsoft power is distributed among different leadership levels. Here we come with status differentials within the companies. Samsung is loyal and status. It is hierarchical and supports employee and long-term investment and long-term they seek like corporate rank, seniority, and everything. Whereas in the Microsoft, there's less hierarchy and they concentrate more on individuals' contribution and innovation and drive innovation and performance. So comparing between both of them, Samsung hierarchical culture contrasts with Microsoft more egalitarian and innovative driven approach. Coming to the market power and influence, Samsung works on hardware and software, both of them. It's in the manufacturing sector moreover, and it is innovative too. And it works on smartphones, semiconductors, and vertically integrated supply chain. Microsoft works on cloud service, products like Windows and Azure, and some storage softwares, and it shares intellectual property and technology advancements. Comparison both of them, both companies hold significant market power, but Samsung power is more rooted in manufacturing and vertical integration, whereas in Microsoft it is only in the software and cloud service. So this is my project. And coming to culture difference and global influence. So the culture difference between both of them is Samsung's culture difference is strongly hierarchical and loyal to the company, and they seek for a long-term employment who work for them, and they mostly take care of those things. And in Microsoft, it is individualized and innovative, encourage open, collaborate culture where power dynamics are often less visible. Impact on global operations among these two companies. Samsung Heritage influence its operations across Asia and its home market is South Korea. Microsoft open a legacy approach faster and more diverse work culture affecting its operations globally, especially in the US and Europe. So thank you. This is my presentation.
Hello, Professor. I'm Sowndarya. I'm part of Group D. I will be talking on what values seem to be important to the organizations. We have chosen the organization Samsung and Microsoft for our presentation. And the first and most important value that I have chosen is innovation. Samsung, the tagline says inspire the world, create the future, highlights their dedication to pushing the envelope in a variety of technology industries, including semiconductors, televisions, smart home appliances. Whereas Microsoft says empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more, which embodies their mission to empower people worldwide and make technology accessible. The next value that I have collected is sustainability and environmental impact. There's this impact on both the organizations, Microsoft and Samsung, but in a little different way. In terms of sustainability, Samsung has advanced significantly. They concentrate on creating energy efficient products and lowering carbon footprints. And one of Samsung's goals for 2030 is to make all of its manufacturing and operations worldwide carbon neutral. Whereas coming to Microsoft, sustainability is a key value for Microsoft. The carbon negative pledge by 2030 aims to remove more carbon than the company emits. And we will move on to the next value that I've chosen is social responsibility and ethics. Samsung places a strong emphasis on corporate social responsibility, particularly in the areas of health, education, and digital inclusion. They fund initiatives that support STEM education, such as the Samsung Innovation Campus. Coming to Microsoft, Microsoft hiring and leadership procedures demonstrate the company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. In all of its teams, the organization aims for diversity and a growth attitude. And talking about empowerment and human centric focus, Samsung places a lot of emphasis on making technology accessible and easy to use. They create goods that use technology to improve people's lives and empower them. They emphasize customer centric designs in the breakthroughs, which vary from smartphones and tablets to healthcare advancements. And now let's see Microsoft with a focus on productivity tools that improve both personal and professional lives. Microsoft is both human centric and more enterprise oriented. Uh, while my research on these values, I felt somewhere that all the organizations maintain similar kind of values for the betterment of the organizations. Their way of taking things might be different, but it's almost focused on the same concept everywhere. Coming to the last value that I have chosen for my presentation is the global presence and market leadership. Samsung, with a significant presence in over 80 countries, Samsung is a global leader in consumer electronics and its values reflect this position. The product line includes chipsets, household appliances, and smartphones. Talking about Microsoft, in a similar vein, Microsoft has operations all over the world, yet its cloud services and software serve as a foundation for businesses and governments and individuals. This is all about my presentation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alice Michael Mascarenhas. Today, I am going to discuss on does the physical environment support teamwork and collaboration? Workplace design plays a vital role in fostering cooperation and teamwork. Samsung emphasizes collaboration through open spaces that encourage spontaneous interaction and creativity. In contrast, Microsoft balances collaboration and individual productivity by offering private spaces, open areas, and advanced meeting room to support hybrid teams and diverse work styles. This approach reflects their focus on creativity and agility. Both companies showcase how workplace design aligns with corporate values, with Samsung promoting openness and innovation, while Microsoft gives importance to flexibility and focus. Below are the several key elements which explains how a physical environment supports a teamwork and collaboration. First is the open and flexible layouts. Samsung emphasizes open layouts with grouped desks and flexible spaces to foster collaboration and innovation, whereas Microsoft adopts a hybrid approach balancing collaboration and focus with open areas and personal zones. The next is the designated collaboration areas. Samsung's collaboration areas emphasize innovation and team synergy, featuring open, creative spaces with tools for dynamic brainstorming. Microsoft designs inclusive spaces with advanced technology, enabling seamless local and global communication. The third is the access to technology. A comfortable workplace boosts Microsoft productivity through good design, furniture, and spaces for creativity. Samsung emphasizes open, modern designs for teamwork, while Microsoft combines comfort with innovation, offering areas for relaxation and brainstorming. The fourth is the comfortable and stimulating environment. A comfortable workplace with furniture, natural light, and plants boosts well being and productivity by improving mood, focus, and air quality. Companies like Samsung and Microsoft prioritize such designs to foster creativity, collaboration, and high morale. Conclusion to this: Samsung and Microsoft showcase contrasting workplace cultures. Samsung, a formal and hierarchical environment influenced by South Korea's traditional values, emphasizes discipline, respect for authority, and structured decision making. Promotions are tied to seniority, and power differentials are evident, with leaders holding significant authority and junior employees less likely to challenge them. The physical environment affects this structure, often focusing on efficiency and individual work. Through recent changes in collaborative spaces, conversely, Microsoft promotes an informal collaborative culture rooted in US tech industry, innovative ethos with a flatter organization structures. Employees are encouraged to challenge ideas and work across teams, fostering open communication and inclusivity. Leadership is approachable and power dynamics are less rigid. Microsoft Physical Spaces prioritizes teamwork featuring open layouts and creativity work, whereas Samsung's culture suits those who strive in structured discipline environment, while Microsoft appeals to individuals seeking creativity and empowerment. Thank you.